Do you fear that if that relationship breaks, if that man or woman you are in relationship with leaves you, your life will crumble down? Or that goal, that dream never comes true, your life will lose its meaning? This is true disempowerment. And this leaves us to becoming dependent. And this is what divides us from our true freedom. And the absolute key to break free from this is detachment. Well, hi, if you're new to my channel, this is Batul Diwan. I am a coach, a speaker, a scientist, and an actor. And I am on a mission and a movement to help women who feel stuck and lonely in their personal or professional life. There is some challenge they are going through, or maybe they are not able to live in their passion and purpose and they feel unfulfilled in their life. So I am here to help them because I was one of them. And if you are a man, hi, welcome. If you also seek out any help, you can reach me out. I will leave a link in the description box to a WhatsApp community I'm developing. It's a free WhatsApp community you can join, where I interact with them up close and personal and give them regular inner work insights to level up their life. Also, if there is something in your heart you want to share with me and you want my personal support, my one-on-one coaching, I'll leave a link in description box. One-on-one call, which is absolutely free. You can book that call and you can interact with me and share your problems. Now, coming back to today's topic, which is around detachment. So what actually is detachment, we will discuss today so that you get the idea of it. When we hear this word detachment, we often associate it with being cold, being inconsiderate, being emotionless, being emotionally unavailable to yourself or to others, being insensitive, and maybe being selfish also. But detachment is not exactly that. Detachment is very different and actually a multifaceted fundamental philosophy. But today I'll discuss one of its very simple aspect which will help you get the idea of what detachment in a simple way, which is not associating your happiness, your emotions, your peace, your safety, and seeking love from someone else, from someone outside of you, a person, an event, an outcome. And this especially happens in relationship where we become so dependent on another person, especially in romantic relationship, where we start attaching ourselves to other person for seeking love, for seeking happiness, for seeking validation, so that when we get it from other person, then we feel worthy of love, then we feel being accompanied, then we feel we are not lonely, then we feel we are safe. Don't you think it makes us absolutely slave? This actually makes us a puppet or a monkey in their circus, where the stick is in their hand and we are dancing on their trumpet. When they become happy, we become happy. When they validate us, we feel validated. And this makes us absolutely a slave and them a master. That does not mean that they are bad person. Actually, it is us who have attached ourselves so much to them that we have become almost a puppet to their behavior for our happiness. And this is attachment. And breaking the shackles and removing this pattern is one of the aspects of detachment. And from where it comes from the very deep idea that we are not complete. It comes from a societal conditioning that where we feel that we need another person to complete us. It is we are half, they are half, and we come together, it becomes one whole. No, it is not that. We are complete, they are complete, we are one, they are one, and when we come together, we become a bigger one. This is the idea. Rather than half becomes complete one. Because of this, when we start attaching ourselves too much, that is when we start controlling, or we start trying to change the other person so that their behavior leads to our happiness, so that they behave in a certain way which can make us feel loved. And that is when the other person start feeling controlled. Imagine if someone else is doing that with you. Won't you feel trapped? Won't you feel someone is trying to control you or shackle you? And this especially comes with anxious attachment style, the people who are anxiously attached, and most of the women have very degree of anxious attachment style. This does not mean that we do not need to change or evolve. We definitely need to change and evolve and become the better and better version of ourselves. but at our own will and motivation, rather than being forced from someone else to change. This is where we start feeling control. This certainly does not mean that you do not communicate your needs, your wants and your desires and what affects you in relationship. We certainly can communicate, but not from the space of controlling and trying to change them, but from the space of just bringing them to their notice and then leave it on them. Let them decide, let them show up, and then observe them for they show up as a person who aligns with you or not. If they do not align with you, if that relationship do not fit, then it is time to make a decision or walk away. One brilliant man and one brilliant woman who I consider one of my mentors, they spoke about them. They spoke about this fact that excess breeds blindness, and when you detach, then you actually give the other person operate from their freedom. This means when we are too close to someone, when we are too attached to someone, someone cannot see us for who we are and we cannot see them for who they are. So this close excess breeds blindness. While when we detach and create a space and we become whole and complete and independent of our own emotions and let them show them for who they are, this gives them the freedom to operate, and this gives us the opportunity to see them for who they are and then decide if they are for us or not. And then we can choose that we really need to be in this relationship because of some desperation, or we need to walk away. Now, how to master it? Some quick simple tips and techniques, because detachment itself is a whole topic which I'm going to cover in my relationship course called Love Leaps, where we will talk about how to master it in your day-to-day life. But in next video, I'll talk about quick simple tips. Start inculcating the art and the power of detachment in your daily life. So that's all for today. If you like this video, like it. I've changed the location of shooting my video because of a lot of background noises outside. Until I figure out a better location, I might be shooting somewhere here or maybe there itself. Let's see what happens, I don't know. But like this video, share it with people whom you think need this, and I'm sure there are a lot of people who require this, especially women. And subscribe my channel, it will help me grow and reach out to more people, and it will help you remain connected with me and this simple content to level up your life. Bye for now. My name is Batul and thank you so much for watching.